Hi everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll be replacing my right low beam headlight bulb. Now it's not necessary to remove the whole wheel to access it, but since I'm at my friend's house and borrowing his tools, I am going to do it that way because last time when I was replacing my fog light bulbs, my arms got all scratched up. So I'm going to remove the wheel.
I remove the wheel first and then remove the bolts from here. I used an 8mm socket wrench and I removed 6 bolts. Then you need a 10mm socket for this one here. Pry this liner back, which I found kind of tough. You need a T20 Torx screwdriver for the 5 little screws on the headlight bulb cover. Pull the cover off. Push these 2 metal clips forward into the middle and then unplug the bulb.
New part. It's a D1S bulb. It's Phillips brand. I just bought it at my local car parts store and it was $85, so it's pretty expensive.
Plug the new bulb in and secure the cover back on.
Yay, it's working! It was kind of a pain in the butt, but I'm glad it's done. Thanks for watching.